Hi, my name is Parth Agarwal and I'm the electrical lead for the Southern California Solar Power team. This year, our team is building a full-size, street-legal solar-powered car which will compete in the American Solar Challenge this summer. The competition, held in July every other year, is a challenging 1,700-mile race across the United States in which university teams from around the world compete with cutting-edge, solar-powered race vehicles. Our team is made up of over 60 undergraduate and graduate students from all around the world. From engineers to business students, our team is incredibly diverse and multidisciplinary. By being a part of our team, students get a unique hands-on opportunity to practice real-world design, prototyping, and manufacturing. They learn valuable skills outside of the classroom, which has helped many alumni of our program secure job positions in competitive companies. Today we are asking for your help to continue our mission of inspiring the next generation of engineers, leaders, and decision makers. By donating to this campaign, you will have a direct impact on the future and success of our program for years to come. All donations of any size will count towards achieving our goals. Your donation will help our team fund the logistics and operations related to launching a nationwide race campaign of this magnitude. Funds will contribute to the cost of transporting our vehicle, funding equipment to the race, and also purchasing crucial safety and operational equipment for the American Solar Challenge. Our team is completely funded by the generous donations of companies, our university, and people like you who believe in making a difference by sponsoring true innovation within our community. We hope that you join us in driving innovation here in Southern California. Thank you for your support, and fight on.